Welcome to another Tech Deep Dive. Today we're exploring Camunda, an AI agentic orchestration platform that's gaining traction in the automation world. Is it the right tool for your business? We'll uncover its features, strengths, and weaknesses in this detailed Camunda overview. Camunda is a process automation platform that combines workflow orchestration with AI capabilities to help businesses automate and optimize their operations. Camunda uses BPMN and DMN standards, ensuring that workflows and decisions are modeled clearly and efficiently. Its compatibility with popular tech stacks like Java, Python, and microservices architectures makes it a favorite among developers. The platform also offers robust monitoring and analytics, giving teams real-time visibility into process performance. However, Camunda isn't perfect. The enterprise licensing costs can be prohibitive for smaller teams, and the platform's complexity may require dedicated training. Some users also note that while the UI is functional, it could benefit from a more modern design. That said, Camunda's scalability and integration capabilities make it a solid choice for organizations looking to automate complex workflows at scale. Camunda offers two main pricing tiers, Free and SaaS Enterprise. The free tier allows users to create a cloud account with unlimited process and decision modeling, 5 user seats, and community support, along with a 30-day trial of agentic and process orchestration features, ideal for development and testing. The SaaS Enterprise tier is designed for high-volume automation and end-to-end process orchestration, featuring advanced capabilities like Camunda Copilot SAP integration, RPA IDP Unlimited BPMN DMN modeling, high-volume process instances, premium support. This tier is custom-priced and billed annually, catering to businesses needing scalable enterprise-grade automation solutions. So, should you try Camunda? If you need a scalable, developer-friendly automation tool and don't mind the learning curve, it's a great option. But if budget or simplicity is a concern, you might want to look elsewhere. Let me know what you think in the comments, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tech insights. Catch you in the next one.